What's going on, guys? My name is Josh and I'm here at JTech, and today I'm going to show you how to do a refrigerant recover cycle on a Cooltech 34288. Now you want to go ahead and take your lines and you want to make sure that it is plugged in. And you want to go ahead and take your low pressure line, or your low pressure line, and go ahead and hook it up there. Maybe a little bit difficult at times. There it is. You want to go ahead and turn that on there, make sure that's secure. And you want to go ahead and take the high pressure and put it on its connection as well. There it is. And we're going to go ahead and twist that down on there. And now that it's on there, we're going to go ahead and come back to the machine, and we're going to go ahead and press recover, and we're going to open the valves for it. That's the main thing you want to do. So once it's done with its recover cycle, we'll go ahead and go over the vacuum cycle. Alright, so now we have it recovering. As you can see, it's going through its recovery cycle. And we got about maybe 1 minute remaining. So after it's done doing its recovery cycle, we're going to go ahead and show you the vacuum cycle. Okay, so now we have recovered out of like 15 ounces out of maybe 23. So this is way below spec than what we normally have in the system. Alright, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and put it on its vacuum cycle. So you're going to want to select vacuum. Now it's going to go ahead and check the pressures. Now, normally you want to do this for a longer amount of time, but for just this portion, I'm just going to go ahead and set it on 1 minute. Then after that, you would push start, and it will go ahead and do its cycle. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and do the charge cycle, and right now it's got 660 grams. So being the fact that this is a European vehicle, we're going to go ahead and press charge. I'm going to go ahead and put it down to about 1.1 pound 5 ounces, because when you convert grams to or pounds and everything, it'll go 1.5. And after you do that, you want to go ahead and press start and put all the refrigerant that it took back into the system. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do a leak test on this particular vehicle, and we have changed the vehicle so that we can do a leak test. So what you're going to come across is a electronic leak detector, so you're going to want to go ahead and turn that on. As you can see, it has lights on it and it's beeping. It's kind of like a metal detector, but essentially for air conditioner leaks. So you basically just want to kind of go along this line, along the high side and the low side. I'm going to go ahead and follow it all the way back here. And what we're going to want to do is, like you can see, I'm following the line. I'm going to go ahead and go back here and, looks like we got ourselves a leak because this thing's freaking out. So we're going to go ahead and turn that down. And we're going to go ahead and turn this off. And then we're going to go ahead and take a certain tool that can help you actually find the leaks. And it's pretty much a black light. So you're going to want to go ahead and head back here. And from what you can see, if you can kind of see it, I got the light on here, and we have some dye put in the system that I put in beforehand. And right now you can kind of see the leak back there. And then you're going to go on ahead and go over here, and it looks like we got a leak over here as well on the radiator. So now we found out where the two leaks are. So normally we'd evac the system and go ahead and redo that. And in order to find it, eventually you want to go ahead and put this dye. Now there are other types of brands of dye that you would put in the system, but pretty much you would evac the system, put a little bit of this in there, and run the system for a while, and you would use this light to find out where the leak would be.